Hey Ankita,
Hi.
I told my child how to stand up to bullies, but it didn't work.
Look, when our children tell us that someone's picking on them and we tell them, stand up for yourself or just ignore them, but those aren't actually tools, right? So we're not teaching our children what to do, we're telling them what not to do. I've had a very similar situation. I've worked with a parent whose 6-year-old kept getting pushed at school. You know, the child would come home upset and just walk away wasn't helping. So we taught 3 clear steps. Step 1 was the calm, firm voice. You look at them and you say, stop, I don't like that. It's not yelling, it's not crying, it's very firm and clear. So we had the child practice at home until it felt natural. Now, why does this work? You see, bullies want a big reaction. They like tears, anger, fear. So when a child is calm, it takes away what the bully is looking for. The second step is walk to safety. After you say stop, you have to tell the child to move where there are other children or adults, not running scared, but just walking to a safer space. You use your voice, now you move to safety. And step 3, you have to tell your children when to ask for help. If they've used their voice, they've walked away and it's still happening, they have to tell a teacher. And that's not tattling. Tattling is when you're trying to get someone in serious trouble. This is asking for help after you've tried to handle it by yourself. That is smart. So you're not just telling your children to be tough or to stand up for themselves. You're giving them a plan that they can truly use. Your child really does not need to be the toughest. They just need to know that they're not helpless. Try this. I hope it works.